Good evening, everyone. We are here in the midst of Hurricane Irma, and I am ready to kill myself because it is so boring. Winter is being a good girl. Come here! Here! Sits. Good. Winter is super crazy and ready to go out, but we cannot go outside because, like I said, the storm is here. So we're going to do some task training with Winter today. Since it can be done inside, it's very low impact, but it's also very mentally stimulating for her, so I'm hoping it'll get her tired out. My cat's right there too, by the way. Hi, Evangeline. Winter. Good. No. Good. Yes. Nice. So Winter is in training to be a psychiatric service dog for her mama, so she's going to need to learn some distress response tasks, and today we're going to work on on her response to crying. What do you think, Winter? You think we can do it? Down. Nice job, Winter. She's very enthusiastic about everything. Okay, let's go. I'm going to set my phone up here, so give me a moment. Trying to get that. Oh my god. Winter, you're a mop. You're not ready to be done. Free. Oh, Winter, Winter. Yes, yes, good girl. Good job. Free. Oh, Winter. Yes, good. Winter, good girl. Yes, good job. Good. Let's go, girl. That's so good. She's so great. She's Winter. Winter, sit. Nope, sit. Winter. Winter. Come on, Winter. Come on. Down. Nope, down. Yes. Oh, Winter. Oh, come on, Winter, come on. Good. Winter knows my crying is super fake. Free. Oh, Winter, here. Yes, good. Nice job. Good girl, it's a good job. It's a good dog, Winter. Good girl. I know. Oh my goodness. So I really encourage Winter's silly behavior because when you're in a distressful situation due to your PTSD, it's very hard to get out of that situation, out of that mindset. So having a silly, goofy, fluffy dog trying to play with you and act silly is actually really going to help with that. So I definitely encourage her silly behavior. Come here, and her snuggles. Can you get snuggles? Up here, paws up. Winter here. So Winter knows the target, but she's just getting a little too silly with herself here. Target. No. Come on. She also knows my treats are in that pocket. Yes, good. Good girl. So I will target her up on my lap. Come on. Target. No. Winter here. Winter here. Good. Yes! Good girl. Just a good girl. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Winter. Thank you so much. Oh, good job. I feel so much better, Winter. Thank you. Good job. And that was a quick little introduction to Winter responding to tasks. That was the first time she's ever done it. So my video was cut short because my mom just called me. She's in Miami right now during the storm. And she is okay, but my childhood home has suffered some damage. I'm a little upset right now, and Winter's doing actually pretty good in response to that. She just walked off for a moment, but while I was on the phone, she's been kind of sticking by me, hanging out, and I'm using this as a perfect training opportunity and asking her actually to offer me some tactile stimulation. Good.
When I'm stressed, I can't keep still, so I gotta walk around. And Winter is doing great in keeping tabs with me. Yes, she's getting goodies these whole times because this is something very new that she's learning, and I kind of really want to reinforce that very well. Because when our emotions are going haywire good, our dogs pick up on that, and that can sometimes freak them out a little bit. I'm gonna switch hands here. So I always want to make this a positive experience. I'm just gonna walk away from her and see if she follows me. Thank you, good girl. All right, good job, Winter.